To send money from a Smione card to Cash App, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must ensure that your Smione card is linked to your Cash App account. If it is not, open the Cash App, tap on the profile icon, and select Linked Banks. Then, tap on Link Bank and follow the prompts to add your Smione card. Once your Smione card is linked, you can proceed to send money. Open the Cash App, tap on the My Cash tab, and select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to send, and choose your Smione card as the source of the funds. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, and confirm the transfer. It is essential to note that you may be charged a fee for this transaction, depending on the terms and conditions of your Smione card and Cash App account. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount you can transfer, so be sure to check your account limits before initiating the transaction. To avoid any potential issues, ensure that your Smione card is active and has sufficient funds. Also, verify that your Cash App account is verified, as this may be required for certain transactions. If you encounter any problems during the process, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. It is also crucial to prioritize security when sending money online. Always use a secure internet connection, and keep your account information confidential. Be cautious of phishing scams, and never share your account details with unauthorized parties. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully send money from your Smione card to Cash App. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your accounts, and take necessary precautions to protect your financial information.